You know, I go on there, ends out, and I go and have a drink. You see me, I say, they on YouTube and thing. You know what I'm going to talk about tonight, I'm Charlie Blacks. Virgin, you see Charlie Blacks right now, in my mash up a place. Wicked. You see me, I say, and I want some more Charlie Blacks in our business. If you check your labels, it come like, it might come off degree, general degree levels. I said levels, so I want some more general degree. That's what I say in our business. You know what I mean? Big up Charlie Blacks. The thing shot. All the bumper song they shot. You get what I say? Well, sick. Kinda sound like Calypso still, but I don't know. That is a good thing, cause I know say lock off in a Trinidad they now and everywhere with Calypso music because I said vibes. But a dancer said we, you see me, it's shot. You see me, I say, I love that. You see me, I say. So, that me dey try say, me do some video, previous video, and I say, you see music, we can't sing about too much gun thing. You see me, I say, that is another part of music we are fun, but we can't base our career upon that. You get what I say? We have to sing some girl tune, some happy tune. You get me? I say, some long time you know see you, we want to have a nice time tune. Them kind of tune that we have to do and keep up with culture. You see me? I say, big up all our artists them where they dominate and keep up with the culture. You see me? I say, big up Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, Buju Banton. God know Buju Banton shouldn't lock away, but him soon come on road still. You see me, I say Vybz Kartel, I'll show you a thing. You see Vybz Kartel, him study history of music. You see me, I say, cause a lot of things when him sing about, people good like say fuck. You know, but at the end of the day, the younger youth them not really know everything, cause through Vybz Kartel them just take it from there. So a lot of young youth just start from Vybz Kartel come to now. You get what I say? So they don't really go beyond Vybz Kartel. So they don't really know history of music. But big up Vybz Kartel, he study history of dancer. That's why he is where it's at right now in our music. You see what I say? And any artist where he study the history of dancer, them we be on top. You see me? If even Tommy Lee know history. But he think him go say demons, you don't know Jamaica religious already, you know. You know, but him just say it in the music, lyrically. You know what I mean? So, you know, people they take it another way. But good youth. You see me I deal with. But I don't really want to take no side with nobody still. Me neutral because I'm an artist and I used to select sound. I used to select a sound named Crystal. I used to name Reno long here upon a sound there. And Sonata when the boss for sound. You know what I mean? And my brother Keaton. You see me I say? So with three we used to run that sound there. You get me I say from Anchovy, right at Liti Crossroad there so. Cross the train line. Big up Sonat. You see me I deal with. And Sonata artist said way, but I don't know him now personal spy, but him still select him thing. But when me show out by my thing, my musical thing, I go for him because we can't left for one another in a bridging. We can't left for one another. I have to go for that man they said way. Keaton said way. You see me I say? And big up Idip in a New York, New Jersey right now. Him a do him thing. I mean, music said way, but him thing not come out yet. Just like how for me not come out yet. But the whole away in that thing. You see me I say? So, a long time we are coming that thing and we not give up. You see me I deal with big up Spraga. You see me I say? And big up whole of Crossroad, Liti Crossroad, Anchovy, Monkey. You see me I deal with Mumpella, that's on my base. right now. But me there in the United States, you know. But one pela my place. I don't know when I'm ready, I'll just go a yard, lick off to Goated and have some liquor and my friend them everybody can eat and drink. You don't know a thing set already. So I say, yeah, I say big up everybody. So I deal with that's what I think set. Right now I have a drink. I not even I do a video right now, I'm not even we just say I not plan out nothing. You see I say cause I have a drink and I do my thing. You get me deal, I not really plan out nothing. You see I say, but big up everybody. You see I say. And big up all our dancer artists them, reggae artists them. Easy Queen of Africa, big up yourself. You know what I say? Big up yourself to the max. Love how you do your thing. You get what I deal with? Yeah. Easy this. The girls are man and only. You know what I mean? So I saw a thing set up, man, and I deal with the thing. You see me I say, when I do a video where they say about when I do a video already about blood clot, alkaline and Tamale, may I say alkaline and Tamale if you go at this clash right now. Tamale not scared, you know, alkaline scared. Cause him say him a run dancehall. Because Vybz Kartel you know say Vybz Kartel then gone to prison. Alkaline you that would not go on so. But him say him a run dancehall right now and him afraid of Tamale. Him afraid of Gage. Him afraid of everybody. Why I'm afraid of them? Shubot. Alkaline, Tamale, a splash you now. Cause you say certain thing pertain in the man and the man attack you now. So alkaline, Tamale, they splash alkaline now. So Shubot, we want to see up on a live show. Shubot, we see up on a live show and defend your badness. You get what I deal with? Cause me do a video with you and I never post it. So me have to say this right now. I don't want to keep up a video too long because when a video too long, people them don't really want to watch it. You know, because people want us do a little thing and go about them business. So, what may I say right now, Alkaline and Tamale, may I look for soon upon any stage show now. You get what I say? Yeah, more Alkaline prove himself. You see what I say? If you can't prove yourself, you talk about nobody and you lick no shot for nobody. If you can't prove yourself. You get what I say? Yeah. And big up all our blogger them. You see what I say? Big up all our blogger them. Big up Slow Flow TV. You see what I say? And big up the rest of blogger them. Because I don't really watch no whole heap of bloggers still. You know what I mean? And one and two blogger me I really deal with. You see what I say? Big up Slow Flow TV and thing. You see what I say? And that's how I think set. Right now me so me single for drop by in a January to February still. You get me I say well want a bus I forget a bus. So me deal with, yeah. But a girl thing me deal with. Love a girl them every day. PSX a girl we have same way. Love a girl them same way. Cause girl fi love me up and give me up sweet. Girl fi love me up and give me up easy. Pan them coming up freeze. Love a girl them same way. A freestyle that. You so hear a whole heap of thing, man. I'm a student in my bedroom, and I don't give a fuck about it. You see me I say, but me I go and have a drink right now. But big up all I selector them, all I blogger them, all I news station them, all I radio station them at Jamaica, IRFM, Links FM, Zip FM. You see me I say, all of them, all I station them, everybody big up CVM and TVJ said we. Yo! And big up Miss Kitty, or they put out the whole I youth them on the Magnum Kings of Queens. You get what I say? Yeah, big up it thing. Yeah, easy. The girls are gonna know the baby. Set it. You get what I say? Boom, I'm out. Yo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. You get what I say? I'm out.